Hello guys, this video is about some functions maybe I forgot to explain. But first one I'm interested in to explain is the hollow. So if I have like statue like this and I want to paint it like print it in 1 meter or higher or bigger than this, and of course you will not print it using split split in the same position because the infill inside every piece is gonna be huge, so we want to do hollow for this. You're gonna go to hollow section and you are setting the thickness of the hollow, how it must be, and this one for details, but it doesn't matter because it is inside, so doesn't matter too much. So we're gonna, the default is good for fast one and same time a good details, so we're gonna increase it like 6, maybe 7. That's gonna be better. Yeah, as you can see it created but a huge thickness, so maybe I'm gonna do Control Z and reduce the thickness to 4.5 maybe, and press again. Maybe that's actually still too much so I'm gonna decrease it to 3. Yeah, this one's good. The thickness is more better, not too much filament or infill for this. Okay, and I'm gonna delete the original one. All right, I'm gonna disable the cross section and I'm gonna go to smart key, blade split and auto split. I want this in 100 centimeter in this. Okay, I'm gonna go to add joints. I want like maybe 4, maybe 5 joints, and the size of it maybe this size one, and the depth maybe it's gonna be like 3.5, and we don't maybe, yeah, we want assemble, of course that's too much parts, so we can make it like less size, and the edge margin, because if we did the edge margin on high part like this, maybe small part, because that's hollow, so small parts on the edges, maybe, as you can see, small parts here will not get connected, so we have to reduce the edge so the keys can place in small parts, and more or less edge margin gonna make the connectors place in small parts, so we can make it like 1. That's good. And I'm gonna go to split. As you can see, it created everything on plates. Oh, I forgot from previous video the key was star, so that's funny actually, but that's okay. There is no issue with it. We can go here so we can see the full model, and we see the small parts. This one, and we can merge both of them. So press on this part and control and this part, and this one, space, and you press here. So basically you can merge more than 2 parts together. So let's say if I want to merge this one and this one and this one, I'm pressing control and selecting all the 3 parts, and I press space in my keyboard, as you can see. All right, but I don't want to make this one inside this orange, so I just want to make the small parts. And where is it? Maybe here, yeah. And where else? The inside bars doesn't matter actually, and most of them is inside, so we can do it like delete, so it's gonna delete all the small parts inside that's getting separated or stuff like this. And we can go to return to plates. All right, I'm gonna go to build plates, split part order, and make it like 10 and arrange. All right, and as you can see, it getting destroyed and assembled because we modified with merging the parts, and at the same time we changed the range. So you have to know this. But it doesn't matter actually, because you won't need it anymore. You merge all the tiny parts and you fixed everything. So the sample won't need it. Okay. And maybe that's not the perfect positions for the parts. We can do this. Select all of them. That's actually like 48, yeah, 48 parts, and press G. Shift G, not G only, and we go to plates, arrange again. I think that's ready to print. I'm gonna open the slicer. I'm gonna open it in maybe Reality. Okay, I'm gonna open. And I'm gonna press OK. As you can see, some parts is actually outside of the plate, so maybe we can do a range. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. You have this part is inside. That's from inside because we did the whole thing. As you can see here, the pixeled stuff is from inside, and the clean one like this from outside. And if you see from inside, it's so pixeled. And that's it. Also, the same as Orca, you can control the, you know, the font itself. You can move it. All right. And that's it for, you can slice and select anything. But here's important thing. An Orca and most slices actually, like Pumbo or anything, the maximum plates it accept 36 only, and you can't import more than this. So if your model have like 100 plates inside Audja, because Audja can take till 1000 or 2000. So if you have like 100 plates here, okay, you won't be able to import the 100 plates with any slicer. So you're gonna hide all. So here's the thing: every plate you're gonna make it visible. That's gonna be exported and opened in any slicer. So if you have 100 plates here, you're gonna hide all of them, right? And you're gonna choose like 36 or anything you want, for example, like this. And I'm just gonna press open in the slicer, and I'm gonna open it again, but in Orca. So as you can see, I only made like 12 plates only. So as you can see, maybe not yeah, 13 plates visible. And if you see down here, plate 13. So that's actually the same parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the same mesh, as you can see. So yeah, that's it. If you have too much plates, you made them hide or invisible, and you select or put the eye on each plate you want to export. And that's it. And if you don't want to use open and slicer at all, you can go here and export all, and all as a separate STLs, or STL in one mesh. Or if it is painted, you can separate it by streamf painted. So yeah, that's it for the whole thing. And maybe let me check if I forgot anything. We explained keys and rebuilt. It's rebuilding the whole mesh with voxel. And the bit code, that's actually what we did in the articulate dragon, the flex one. If we like drag this model on the bed and we press apply, as you can see, we have a flat one, but we have like, because this mesh is hollow, so you can see what is inside. And the preview one is Boolean. So we can do like this and use this model for subtract. It will act as subtract, and you can apply after you did this. Okay, and I think that's it, everything in the software. And of course we're gonna add more things, but that's the beginning of Audja. And yeah, there is one thing. We have here a reference panel. If we press on it and press add, we can add picture, any picture we want, even like 10 pictures or whatever. And we can zoom in. So if you have a original pic and you want to pick the colors, the slots from it, you can just, you know, go to first slot and you make it like, I want this color, and in this slot I want this red, and in this cyan I want to be it like brown, and this one I'm gonna use it like blue, and this one maybe white for the eye, and this one maybe yellow. Yeah, so you have you can take the colors from any pick you want and put it in the slicer, in case if you don't want to paint from, you know, your mind, and you want to take from reference, and you can scale the panel as you want, you know. But the best thing for it is to make it small, and you can zoom in to see the colors and all of this. That's like a good feature to have. So that's actually everything in Audja, explained in the previous videos and this one. And I don't want to make like promises, but we are working on a great roadmap. So that's not gonna be only preparing software for non-MS designing or mold stuff or color printer. That's actually, there's a huge vision of Audja making the industry of 3D printing more easily, and not also just a 3D software, because we gonna add a slicing system, and you know, I don't want to talk too much about it, but we are working hard on it to make it like a great backbone for this industry. So yeah, if you have any question or anything, reach out to us on our mail, support@audja.com, or you can reach out IG or Reddit or group Facebook, or anywhere you want to communicate with us, or you can just press help and contact support. You can press or type your issue and you can send, and we're gonna communicate with you so fast. So that's it. See you guys.